Hello everybody, it's Morgan from the Three Anglers, and I'm back at the river. Just got a decent amount of snow. I'm gonna hope for some fish. Stay tuned. Using the silver and purple Indiana bladed spinner again with the barrel swivel. We'll see what happens. Well, this isn't good, but it feels to me like I got a leak in my waders, so this fishing trip might just get called short here. Yeah, my socks are wet. Oh, what a bummer. Got one. Got a nice fish, finally. It's a brown. There we go. Good fish. This little guy. Probably a 13-inch brown trout. Perfect fish. This fish came out to play. Can't beat it. Well, we got lucky. Well, that just made my day. I'm glad to have drove up here and have caught a fish, especially with having the leaky wader. That made the day, that's for certain. Solid 13-inch brown right there. Oh, we got some line tangle too. That's always nice. Yep. Can't beat that. That's gonna put a damper on some stuff right there. Well, I had to cut my line because I had a knot down low. And when you're dealing with line malfunctions when it's this cold, it's not pleasant, but They don't call it catching, they call it fishing, so this sort of thing's bound to happen. Now, if you ever run across having this line malfunction issue, and you have all this extra line, don't be one of those people who just throw their line on the bank, especially a big wad like this. So if you have stuff like this, just pocket it. Oh, got one. Oh, good one. Good fish. It's a good looking brown right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good one. It's a resident. Yeah, got him. There we go. That's a beauty. It's a fat one. I don't think it'd be a keeper, but we can always measure. I haven't kept a brown in a while. I might do it if this guy's legal. That's a nice looking brown trout. This beautiful brown, just it wasn't big enough. Goodbye, buddy. He's going upstream that small tributary. Right down there, the thing bit. Man, I'm lucky. That's 2 nice browns on this freezing cold day. Stay tuned for more, hopefully. Well, that is 2 fish down. Man, for heck, having a half leaky wader, and now I'm short on line because of my line malfunctions I've been having. That's pretty dang good. Yeah, I'm actually pretty warm because the leak is kind of mid-leg area, so if I'm in a deeper area, I get some water to come through, but besides that, I'm pretty good. Got one. Oh yeah. Good fish. Oh yeah, nice brown trout. This might be the one. Oh boy. Yikes, that thing. This is a big one. Yeah, got him. It's a nice big brown right here. It's another resident one. Oh man, that is a beauty. Absolute beauty of a fish. I don't think this one's a keeper either. Always only one way to find out. "14-incher" again. Awesome. Oh, got one. Good fish. Oh, it's a rainbow. This one might be an eater. No, it's a brown, darn. Never mind. It's still a good fish though. Can't be that. This little guy really has got some energy. Oh, it's okay, buddy. Nice looking trout.